Do you want to generate unlimited AI images for free without worrying about tokens? In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to create high-quality AI images using Leonardo AI without spending a single penny. Stick around to learn how you can bypass token limits and generate as many AI images as you want. Step 1. Accessing Leonardo AI. First, open Google and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the first website that appears. Once you're on the home page, click the Get Started button. You'll now see different sign-up options such as Apple ID, Google ID, Microsoft ID, or email. Leonardo provides free daily tokens, but today, I'll show you a way to get unlimited tokens using multiple accounts. Step 2. Creating multiple accounts using temporary emails. To create unlimited accounts, open a new tab and search for Temp Mail. Click on the first website, which will generate a temporary email for you. Now copy this email, go back to Leonardo AI and paste it into the email field. Set any password you like, confirm it, and click Create Account. Leonardo will send a verification code to the temporary email. Go back to the Temp Mail site, scroll down, and you'll find the email from Leonardo. Copy the verification code, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click Continue. Congratulations! You've successfully created an account. Now, you can repeat this process to generate unlimited free tokens by using different temporary emails. Step 3. Exploring Leonardo AI features. Once you're logged in, select a username, agree to the terms, and click Let's Go. Now click the Generate button, and you'll see various AI models available. You can use these models to create consistent character images, reference-based styles, and much more. Under the Community Creation section, you'll find AI-generated images from other creators. Along with their prompts, you can take inspiration from these prompts and modify them to suit your needs. On the top menu, you'll see categories like All, Photography, Animals, Anime, and more. Clicking on a category will show relevant images, along with the prompts used to generate them. Step 4. Generating your own images. Now, let's generate an image. Click on the Image Creation button. You'll see various AI models and styles. For this demo, we'll use Phoenix 1.0 as the model. Keep the prompt setting on Auto and select the dynamic style. Set the contrast to high for more vibrant results. Click Generate, and within seconds, your AI-generated image will be ready. By following this method, you can use Leonardo's 150 daily tokens and create unlimited accounts to keep generating AI images for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more AI-related content. Want to learn how to turn these AI-generated images into engaging videos? Check out my next video where I'll show you how.